Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Have this ever happened to you? You wake up in the morning and you think, I need some Maggie today. And literally 5 minutes later, your phone shows you an ad of Maggie noodle. Or maybe you have seen a video of a robot dancing and everyone call it AI or machine learning. A lot of people think that is very complicated. Only genius can understand it. But I am here to tell you it's not as hard as it sounds. In fact, it is exactly like teaching your friendly neighborhood dog to sit for a biscuit. Yes, you heard me right. Let me break down for you in the simplest way possible. Imagine you want to teach your pet dog to sit. There are two ways to do this. Number one, you physically grab the dog legs and fold them in its sitting position. You give the dog a step by step manual. First, bend your left leg, then bend your right leg. This takes a lot of time, and if dog is little fluffier or had shorter leg than you expected, your manual doesn't work perfectly. In coding, this is called hard coding, writing fixed rule that doesn't fit every situation. Now we have option B, which is called machine learning style. In this method, you don't give rules, you give a clear goal. Get the biscuit and you let the dog try things on its own. Wrong move, no biscuit. Right move, if it sit down, reward, PARLE-G. That's exactly machine learning is. You don't tell computer exact method. We just give a lots of data and it figure out the rules by itself. It tries different approaches many times and finally discover the correct way on its own. There are three main type of machine learning. Think of them as different level in a video game. The first one is the supervised learning. In this type, we give computer an answer key that is a label data. It is like when you solve 10 years of previous board exam question paper before you give your finals and you know the correct answer of those questions. We show a computer 10,000 picture. One picture say this is mango, the next say it is banana. Let's take another example. So everyone has used Zomato or Swiggy. It sees your order, past order that you have ordered butter chicken last time. So next time it confidently suggests you butter chicken again because it learned that you like it. That is supervised learning. Now unsupervised learning. In this type, we give computer a collection of different items and say find some interesting pattern in this for me. We don't tell which one is potato or onion. Computer just look at the shape and color and create its own similar group. All the round one goes one side, on the long one goes other side. Let's take another example. There is exactly like JioSaavn that you have used. It doesn't know what pop music means in human way, but it absorbs that people who listen Daljit also listen to AP Dhillon. So he grouped them together. That is unsupervised learning. Now I'm going to the next one, reinforcement learning. This is a training a dog trick that we talked. uh, in our video in the starting. Here the computer has no rule at all. We just give it a game, it press random button, it does go outside the safe zone, its health reduces, it stay inside and perform well, it score increases. It play the game millions of times, improve its strategy every single time, and finally it becomes so skilled that beating it become very really tough. That is reinforcement learning, learning by experience. But here is a key to remember. Machine learning by itself is just a simple calculator. It doesn't actually think like we do. It just work with numbers. So the calculator only became intelligent when we get it good, clean and varied data. Varied means variety of data. The data is its real power of machine learning. Think about it. If you teach computer to recognize a tomato by showing it's only red tomato, then you show it a green tomato, it might get confused. So in the learning phase itself, we need to show computer all the different kind of tomato that can be there. So when it is actually performing, it never get confused. Let's take another example. A cricketer practicing in Indian pitch and expecting the similar type of result in Australian pitch. It's not going to happen because the weather and other conditions are different. So the better you have the data you give, the better result you get. Now, so next time when someone says machine learning, don't imagine as a magic trick or a scary robot. Imagine a smart system that you trained by showing 10 lakh picture of Rajma Chawal just so it figure out wow Rajma look like. It's just math, it's just pattern, it's computer making guesses, trying new approach and getting a better every single time. That's exactly how we practice new concept in the school. Thank you.